Hi guys. So are you still calculating the month, year over year number manually in the Power BI? So stop doing this because you are wasting your hours of every week. Imagine if your previous month order, profit target and even 90 days rolling profit could update automatically in a second. So, but there was a mistake. Most beginner make. So use the right time intelligent functions formula. If you're not, you miss the date model setup completely. So in this video, I will walk through a real assignment, its complete solution and best practices pro use the real dashboard. So if you want to smarter, faster, automated insights, keep watching this video. Let's come on the point today. So let's suppose you're sitting somewhere and someone asks you, or you're in the interview, an interviewer asks some question from you, and you're working somewhere in the company, and your senior manager give your task. What task? That, let's suppose you got a message like this, and they ask, because you made lots of time agent function previously and other things. So what they want give you a message and ask something. The message is like the leadership teams has been asking a lots of question about the month over month and year over year comparison, and I have been pulled the number pretty manually. So could you please add the following list of the measure to make these metrics easier to track and share stakeholder? So these are actually your message. What's come in your idea. So the idea is you have some key objective in front of you. So what objective you have? So you objective is like you need to create the previous month revenue, returns, previous month's orders, previous month profit, and order target which is increased 10% of the previous month, profit target which is increased over the previous month, daily, I mean 90 days rolling profit, because they're saying the 90 days profit somewhere. So this is actually we want in the solutions. I have already showed the solution before this starting the video. So we need to create a formula like this: calculate total order, deadlines, and lookup dates -1. Actually, this is the previous month formula. This is 90 days rolling formulas, and the order target would be solved like this. So let's quickly jump on the Power BI and do this practically so that it would be very easy to make understand, right? So I'll open the Power BI and we'll do that. First, let's calculate the measure that's previous month return. So that is previous month return is equal to, hit enter, that is the calculate total revenue, total returns. All right, the one moment please. All right, so total revenue, comma, and now again I need a calculations like a dated formula. So in this, through this formula I need to give the dates by specified interval. Let's take the calendar date here, comma, enter, -1, comma, month, comma, month, because I want a monthly, comma, right, same data. So we have created the previous month return. All right, save it first. Let's create I'll just remove it from our data dashboard and use this one. Okay, so let's take the month from here. All right, give the total month. I'll just take it from the calendar table. In the calendar table, I'll take the starting of the month, and in the starting of the month like this. All right, so that is the total revenue, and I have calculated the previous month revenue, which I just pull it here, or yep, let's do that. Previous month revenue, put it here. See, this revenue is the previous month revenue, right? So let's calculate previous month order. I'll just create one more measure, which is previous month uh, orders. Previous month order is equal to, hit enter, calculate, and total order, comma, enter, dated, enter, calendar date, comma, -1, comma, month, because I'm just creating the monthly order. Hit enter, hit enter. See, this time I took the total orders because I want to calculate the monthly order. Hit enter, put that thing in a matrix. So these are the previous month order, right? So what is the total order? I'll take it so that you can see easily total order before it. I'll increase material board so that it will easy to understand and visible. See, this is the previous month order here, right? I'm going slowly, so will make you understand more about this. So now I want to give the target. So for the give the target, I want the last month profit. So last month profit, how can calculate? We'll calculate in the same way. Just click here in a new measure. In the new measure, put the previous month. Previous month profit is equal to, hit enter, calculate, hit enter. Now I want the total profit. Total profit, comma, dated, comma, calendar table. Okay, I did some. Okay, I'll just remove it from here. Mistakenly, I just did something. What I was doing previous one. I don't know what is happening. Let's search it. What I did. Previous month profit. This one. Don't worry. I will just make it from here. And that is a date. Not date. Date. I want a date, comma. Simply hit enter here. Then -1 because previous month order we want in the month. Close and hit the enter. See. So that is the previous month profit. Put it here in the matrix. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just put the profit, total profit from here. What is the total profit? This is the total profit. I'll put it here so that I can see visual what is happening. See, this is the total profit of the previous month, and this is the total profit, right? So slowly, I'm just going much deeper in this, right? Now let's calculate the order target, right? So order we have already. This is the previous one order. This is the order. So let's give the target of the order target. Click the matrix. new measure. In the new measure, I want the order target is equal to, put the orders so that order targets in the previous month order into 10% means 1.1. Hit the enter. So let's took the order target here in the order table. Now this is the order target. Where is the order target? This one is the order target. Let's me check that again. Previous month order into 10. That was fine. I'll do then. I'll just put some round up this, right? Put the 0 over there. So order will always be the 0. I should go down. All right. So I'll just put the down. I'll just do the manually here. See. Where's the order? What is happening here? Let me check that. Order target. All right. So what is the order? Need to see little visual here. Okay, I'll do one thing. Now let's see the clearly. Okay, so that's need the formatting. Hit somewhere. See, the order is this and target achieve this one. Okay. We can also take the order percentage, this divided by this, so the divided next formula. But the assignment which we have given like this, and let's see what is pending. Okay, the pending is, let's take the 90 days rolling. Okay, so order target also need to give and profit target also need to give. So let's click the measure table and create one more measure for the profit target is equal to, hit enter, previous month order, sorry, previous month target profit we need, previous month profit into 1.1. See, let's put it here in the previous month profit target. So profit target, I'll put the total profit. See the result here. So now this is the target and this is the our total achievement, right? So in that way, we can give the order target like this. So the last thing we just pending here, 90 days rolling data. So let's calculate that. Put the measure, create one more measure table. Now this time I'm just calculating 90 days rolling profit is equal to, hit enter, calculate total profit, comma. Now this time I need another matrix, that is a dates and periods, right? So dates and periods like this, hit enter, let's put the date, comma, hit enter, and I want the date. I have date already given. Now I want the another thing, how to calculate it. So maximum 90 days. Calendar table. I put the 90 days from the calendar table. What is the maximum date of it? And if the date of it, so let's put the 90 days over there. and day, of course, comma, sorry, parenthesis close, and the parenthesis close. So that is actually I did the 90 days profit. So calculating the profit in the date periods in the calendar table, which maximum rate is 90 days and the day. Hit the enter. Right. So put that thing in your data. I'll do one thing. I'll just need to create one more table so that we can understand that 90 days, right? I'll do one thing. I'll just minimize it. Let's minimize it. I'll just put one matrix over there, this matrix, and put the date from the calendar table. So date is here. I don't want hierarchy. I want the date. And now I'll give the what I've just did. So let's take the total profit. Total profit here in the value, and give the 90 days rolling data so that you can see easily the data is. See, series go down when it's come the 90 days. 90 days means might be in the March somewhere. Yeah, see the 90 days here, and again started from the. Okay, that is not true. Right. So we can give the filter over there so that we can see the 90 days over. But the model is looks like this, right? Let's take a slicer so that I can see the date 90 days here. 90 days, how much 90 days? That would be June, February to March. Let's take the April only. Oh, sorry, what I did. I'll just put the date. See, so but it is being calculated the 90 days. When it's coming the 90 days, it will coming from the rolling from the starting cost, right? So that is actually we did in the assignment and the formula we did. So after ending this video, I would like to share something important. That is, I have added all the previous video to the decided playlist. If you missed any of them, I highly recommend watch those video first, because these video are the combination of the and the continuation of the previous video concept. So if you have already cleared with earlier topics, that is okay. Otherwise, you can continue watching this video. And in coming series, let's try to wrap up the DAX, and next takes some advanced feature. I'll just add in the next coming videos or playlist. That was the advanced text functions. But in this, the next, I will try to uh, the coming video is the data visualization part. So here I'm just learning the DAX thing. Now in coming video, you will learn the advanced DAX functions and the data visualizations parts, which in the front end. And you will create a very beautiful dashboard, and will start slowly and with the advanced level. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.